Good morning once again, and happy Easter once again, okay? Dominoes 7 here, okay? On this very special Easter Sunday, okay? Alright, it's past 6 o'clock. Well, almost 7 o'clock as far as that, okay? Come on. And they go to bus that just passed? Well, alright, so I'm always having trouble trying to flip the back angle to the next angle, you know. Alright, so my Easter Sunday, second Easter Sunday without Nala, you know. So back in New Orleans and stuff like that. Well, y'all already know, okay, if y'all been watching my shows on YouTube and Facebook vlogs on Daily Motion. Well, Facebook vlogs, but not on Daily Motion. I haven't uploaded on Daily Motion in a while, so I'll get back to that one day. Okay, I don't know when, you know. So, all right. So, did y'all dye eggs last year? I mean, not last year. Well, last year and last night or whatever, or should I say yesterday? You know, what y'all did Easter Saturday? I ain't do a show Easter Saturday, you know. All right, so all right, so that's it for right now. Okay, I'm about to go to YouTube live. Okay, all right.